About to paint the Monte. Gotta prime it real quick before I run out of light. All day doing Bondo and filling in dents. This trunk, somebody smacked it and it was all curved right here, like up. Wouldn't sit flush. Had to smack it down with a hammer and then Bondo it layer and layer and layer until I got it smooth, fill in all those dents. All primed, sanded down, ready to paint this fucker. Paint it up. Crazy painting that in the dark with a light. Came out better. You actually see what the paint was doing. So I'm gonna paint these black, the trunk and the hood. So I'm gonna be doing some lowrider designs on there with some flake and stuff. I'm doing some pin striping right on these lines right here. Paint that, like, cover everything, paint it black, some of it right here, and then do some silver flake, and then do some pin striping with some thin tape, just down to like right here, stop. Do the same on all these body lines right here, come down into this, all the way to the end. So do it black and then silver flake, then put the thin tape, then could do some candies even on it if I want. I was saying about doing clear coat mixed with some little bit of gold flake, and I have this like ice blue flake to where this will have a little bit of a like a sparkle to it. It's got a lot of metallic to it. That's orange peel in it right now too. It's cut and bust a little bit. Came out better than last time. I had a bunch of runs. I fixed this side. I'll repaint this once before this side. Kind of want to do another extra coat on the other side because this one actually has like 4 coats. See, I'll paint this all black and then I'll shoot flake with clear mixed together. One layer of that, and then cover it or bury it with more just clear by itself. And you cut it down, sand it down a little bit, and then start making your designs. And then you could do candies and stuff like that. That's what I'm planning on doing. Airbrushing in a couple of different colors and some other flakes mixed in there. Make some patterns.